Hello student. Today we'll learn about chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric part 2. In this chapter we'll learn about natural fiber jute, processing of jute plant to obtain fiber, how to make fabric from yarn. Jute Jute is a natural fiber popularly known as golden fiber. Jute fiber comes from the stem of herbaceous annual plant which is known as Quercus. Now we'll learn about how the jute is being processed in the factories, or how we are growing the jute plants on the field. So for the production of jute, definitely we require to grow the jute plants on the field in a huge quantity. First of all, as we'll grow the plant on the field, before flowering of the jute plant, we'll obtain the stems of the jute plant. And then in the picture, as you have seen or you're watching it, the one of the person is cutting down the jute plant, and then it is being made, the bunches are being made by the person. Then these bunch of jute plant are being soaked into the water. So, and we are keeping that bunches of stem into the water for long period of time, and this process is called as rating. Rating is the process in which these plant stems are being soaked into the water, where it is being decomposed by the microorganisms, and the thread of the jute plant are being loosened, and we are going to obtain the jute fiber from it. So here in the picture also the process of rating is being given in this, how the people are making the bunches of it, how they are soaking it into the water, how they are obtaining the fiber from it. Everything is being clear in this picture. I think you all understood with this. So now student, we'll learn about how to make fabric from yarn. So for making fabric, definitely we do require to use the arrangement of yarn. So how we are getting yarn? So yarn we are getting from fiber. As fiber is being different fibers we are obtaining from the plant sources like cotton fiber, like jute fiber. So these fiber, as we are getting the thin thread like structure, we are twisting it, and after twisting these fiber we are making the yarn from it. And after making the yarn, the arrangement of these yarn into the different patterns helps to form the fabric. Here in the picture also you are getting some arrangement of yarn. So this arrangement of yarn only helps to make the fabric. So there are two processes to make fabric. One is weaving and second one is knitting. Weaving is the process in which the arrangement of fibers are being done in the looms. Everyone knows about the looms? Power looms. Okay. So these looms are having the arrangement of the fiber. The fiber which is arranged vertically, that is called as warp arrangement of the fiber. And then the crosswise or the horizontal arrangement of fiber is also there. So the arrangement of fiber in the picture is also given, the vertical arrangement and the horizontal arrangement of the fiber. So this helps to weave the cloth. Likewise, if we learn about the knitting, so knitting I think you all know about. Maybe you have seen at home your dadiji or else mama, they are preparing sweaters sometimes. So as they are making the sweater, they are using needles, and with the help of these needles they are weaving, they are knitting the sweat, they are knitting the fiber called as wool, and by knitting they are making the sweaters and some woolen clothes. So in this also the warp arrangement and the weft arrangement of the fiber is there. In that process also, in knitting also, the fibers are being arranged crosswise and the lengthwise. This helps to make the cloth or fabric. I think you all understood about the jute plant, how do we obtain them from the field, what we are doing with them, what is the process of rating and all. And we have learned the main process, that is how to make fabric from yarn. So student, if any doubt, send your messages to us, then definitely I'll be clearing your doubts. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.